and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby,
Welcome and welcome back to my channel where we learn to bake quick and easy desserts. So come along as I show you guys how to make these quick and easy, delicious red velvet truffles. So on your way in, if you could please give me a like, comment, and also subscribe. That really do helps. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing you want to do is get your cake. You can use box cake, you can make it fresh, or you can buy even store-bought cake. Now, once we separated our cake, we're going to just crumble everything into very fine grains if you can. Next, we're going to be adding our frosting, which I'm going to be using the cream cheese frosting. And you want to add about 2 tablespoons at a time, just so you can make sure you don't put too much icing in there.
all you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing.
We're looking for like a dough-like consistency, so you want to keep on stirring until you get that dough-like consistency.
With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know, so
Once you're done mixing, it should look something like this. Nice and dough-like. You should be able to pick it up and it should be able to hold together. Now with our favorite ice cream scooper, we're just going to scoop out just about a whole scoop. And then we're just going to roll it into little balls.
if we on the run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us 'cause we going dumb. We on the same way, the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with
And once you're done, it should look something like this. Now we're going to place these into the freezer for about 1 to 2 hours until they're completely firm. So I went ahead and melted my chocolate wafers, which I have a video of that in the last video, so you guys check that one out. We're going to just dip each ball into the the chocolate and cover completely. And while the chocolate is still melted, I'm going to go ahead and add some sprinkles on top.
We should take a trip up to the moon, get a room, doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till
so I decided to do 3 different colors, which was the white, blue, and regular chocolate. So you guys can make a variety choice. My personal favorite is the milk chocolate. So once we cover all of the chocolate, we're going to go ahead and sit this inside the freezer for about 2 hours, and it should look something like this. Y'all, these came out so good. You want to make sure it's a nice chewy middle and a hard chocolate surrounding. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. I appreciate you guys running my playlist, subscribing, and sharing. I'm almost to my hours, so let's keep pushing. If you like this video, I recommend you check out this one.